Flashlight, I mean. Yes. So now it is time for cooking the supper. Ni igihe cyo guteka amafunguro y'umugoroba. Remember that is now Monday evening. Yes. Wibuke ko turi kuwa mbere nimugoroba. Tuvuye ku kazi dutangiye guteka. Yes. After cooking, it's now 7 o'clock or 7 p.m. It's time for supper. It's time for supper. Yes. Nyuma yo guteka guhera saa 11 kugeza saa 1 z'umugoroba, nta gihe cyo gufata amafunguro y'umugoroba. Okay? After eating or after taking supper, it's now time for homeworks of children. Yes? It's now time for homeworks of children. So, nyuma yo guteka amafunguro tugira gute? Niyo tumaze kurya duhita dukora homework z'abana or imikoro y'abana. Homeworks, imikoro. Then next is what? After doing those homework, after helping children to do homework, what do you do? It's now time for watching television. Yes, it's now time for watching television. Yes. Iyo tumaze kurya no gufasha abana amadevoir or homeworks or imikoro yo mu rugo, turongera tukirebera television. Yes, television from at 8 up to 11. Up to 11. Yes. Let us continue now. After watching television, what do? We go to sleep. We go to sleep. Nyuma yo kureba television, tujya kuryama. Which time? At 10 o'clock. At 10 o'clock. Yes, in Kinyarwanda, tureba televiziyo guhera saa 2 twamaze kurya, tukageza saa 4 z'ijoro. Are we together? Can you repeat? Kuva saa 2 kugeza saa 4 z'umugoroba. Thank you so much. So then it's time for sleeping. We go to sleep. Ni igihe cyo kujya kuryama. Ni igihe cyo gukora iki? Ni igihe cyo kujya kuryama. Okay? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. This is the end of our lesson, but before ending, let us do exercise, okay? Let us do exercise. Mirongo ine yageze nibura iminota. Yes.